Hello people, welcome to Ratan IT. This is Binesha.
Before that, I need to have my function of is a function, right? So my function of, and this is a function. So just have a keyword function of, function, my function of, and inside we are going to write, I need two variables a comma b here. These two variables I am going to return a into b. Suppose it's a multiplication part. So I am going to retrieve this function at document dot get element by id of, my id name here is demo dot inner html is equal to x. I am going to retrieve here. X means what? My function of the value, the result is going to be inserted over here. That value I am going to retrieving with a variable, save it wherever you want. This is the JavaScript function, right? So JavaScript function dot html, just save it and just go over there and just run the JavaScript function. See here, 12 is the value I am getting here. See, 12 is the value, so that means 4 3s are 12, right? In place of this also you can directly retrieve over here. You can also directly retrieve over here without any variable, that is in a function. In place of 4 3 you can also have 2 8. That means 2 8s are 16. You will get the answer 16. See here, in this way also we can have, right? This is the way we are going to make the function and we are going to call. So this is my function, this is my function declaration, this is my function definition, and this is my function call. These are the function, and in function these are my parameters here, a comma b for the definition, and these are the assigning values. In this way we are going to give the function. Now we can also have a function of constructor with a function of constructor. See here, in script language I'm having see where my function is equal to new function of. In new function of, this f will be a capital F. Okay, new function of, here the values no need to give directly, we can give the parameters in this way, a comma b. Okay, and you can have written, oh sorry, everything will be in quotations. Okay, so just it needs to return a into b, right? In this way also you can have your function. So directly call that new function of. Parameter list you need to give. Let us suppose if you are having another parameter, suppose that is the c, and you are going to add a c, and just add the another one. Okay, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Now you need to get the 24 as the result, right? See here, you will get a 24. In this way you can use the function constructor also. Okay, and coming to the parameters, these are the parameters we are going to use. How many parameters you want, that many parameters we can use. So I'm going to write one program that is to find the sum of all. Okay, sum of all arguments. See here, I'm having a function in script, function sum of is my function. Okay, here I am going to write where sum equal to 0 I took, for I is equal to 0, I less than arguments dot length, I less than arguments dot length I plus plus. Okay, this is my for loop, and in this for loop I am going to use sum plus is equal to arguments of I. So I am going to add the arguments of I. Now return sum. Okay, this is my function. So first declare the variables, and this is the for loop, and inside this for loop, and here I am going to return sum, and I am going to end my function. So this is what. So now I am going to retrieve my function, that is sum of can give the parameters here. Sum of, you can give the parameters, that means the arguments 1, 34, 112, 34, 67, 90, like that. Okay, just save it and see whether the sum is getting or not. See, 238 is the sum of all these things. Okay, in this way you can also use the sum of arguments with a function. Okay, with a function with the parameters. Okay, and this is a function call and invocation. You already understood all these things. Now we are going to see this keyword. So my function of where x is equal to my function of, in the same place of sum of, see here, where x is equal to my function of. Okay, this is my function now my function of, okay, what it is having, this, sorry, okay, my function of, it is going to return this, okay. Now just have the end script. I am going to have x, right? So just give the x over here and see the output. Just save it and see the output here. Okay, object window, that means the object window is the default one. So this keyword is also meanwhile from the, when a function is called without a owner object, the value of this becomes the global object. Okay,
Thank you for watching this video, and for more videos please subscribe to our channel Ratan IT.